Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 C-Class. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, driver attention alert system, airbags, driver, knee, M-brace, satellite communications, cruise control, trip computer, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, child safety locks, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, multifunction display.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.